Generative artificial intelligence, often called generative AI, is one of the most exciting revolutions in technology today. At its core, generative AI is a system that can create new and original content, things like text, images, videos, music, or even code, rather than simply analyzing data or following pre-written rules. It learns patterns from massive amounts of information and then uses that understanding to produce something entirely new that feels human-like and creative. To understand this, imagine teaching an artist every painting ever made. The artist doesn't just memorize them, but learns styles, colors, and emotions. Later, when asked to create something new, the artist combines that knowledge in original ways. Generative AI works in a similar fashion. It is trained on enormous datasets of existing examples, sentences, photos, melodies, or designs, and learns the relationships between them. Then, when prompted, it generates new outputs that fit those learned patterns. This process is powered by models known as neural networks, particularly a type called transformers. These networks mimic how our brains connect ideas and patterns. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney are built on such architectures. They interpret human prompts, short text instructions, and generate intelligent, creative responses that often surprise even their creators. What makes generative AI special is its ability to collaborate with humans rather than replace them. It is like a creative partner that can brainstorm ideas, write drafts, design visuals, or assist in research. Non-programmers can use it to accelerate their work, whether they're teachers, marketers, designers, or entrepreneurs. With the right prompts, anyone can produce professional quality content that once required teams of experts. Generative AI has already transformed industries. In entertainment, it helps create scripts, soundtracks, and special effects. In education, it designs personalized learning experiences. In business, it automates customer support and generates marketing copy. Even in science, researchers use AI models to simulate molecules or design new materials. The possibilities are expanding every day. But with this power comes responsibility. Generative AI can produce misinformation, biased content, or deepfakes if used carelessly. That's why ethical awareness and responsible use are crucial. We must learn to guide these tools thoughtfully, understanding their limits and ensuring transparency and fairness. Ultimately, generative AI isn't about machines replacing creativity. It's about amplifying human imagination. It gives us the power to move faster from idea to execution, to explore more possibilities, and to communicate in ways that were never before possible. Whether you are an artist, educator, or business professional, learning how to prompt and collaborate with AI opens a new world of potential. This is not just the future of technology. It's the future of human creativity itself.